Hello and welcome to my hackathon submission for the hackathon. And my app is on the domain of healthcare and medical. And my app name is called MediTrack. It's a system which allows you to store and retrieve information from your medical records, also get various insights and do AI related diagnosis for your different conditions. So I'll give you a brief tour about my app. So it starts on the login screen. There are two login options. You can either log in as the patient or the dashboard. So I'll first show you about the patient dashboard. So as soon as you log into the patient dashboard, you'll be greeted up with this screen which shows you all the medical history of your records and all the symptoms and all the drugs that have been recommended through the various reports. So now what is the control flow of the app? So the patient starts by uploading a file. So they go to the upload screen. As soon as you click on the upload file button, you'll be taken to the upload screen where you can choose a file that you want to upload. And now we wanted to make this app as accomplished to the GDPR laws as we can. So we allow the users to censor any sensitive information that they don't want to provide us. So they can simply select and drag the places that they want to censor. For example, if they want to censor the name of the healthcare institution that they did the test or get the report from, or their gender or their age, they can censor them very easily. So as soon as you select, it is selected in our database and you can click on upload. Now the file has been gone to for processing. So what happens when you send your file for processing? So the first, we blur out all the sections that you wanted to censor out. Secondly, it goes to an OCR pass which gets the OCR details of what is written on the reports, because most of the reports that we have are in images or PDF form. So we do an OCR on it to get all the information from it. After that, we use different NLTK techniques to remove any personal information which may be there, which the patient forgot to encrypt. So now the file is being processed. And what are the other things that we do? The data that we get from the OCR pass, we use a model called Cybert. So what this Cybert model is, it's a fine-tuned version of the BERT NLP model, which allows us to extract different symptoms and different medical related terms from the report. So you can see this is a medical reports that was just sent for the OCR pass, and it has blurred the medical institution name and the age and whatever we wanted to. Now also what you get is you get different tags. So you will get the diseases or whatever the symptoms the patient was facing and which were mentioned in the report. So you get chest pain, depression, adrenal, and different, and the drugs that the patient was recommended. So for example, nitroglycerin. So for example, a patient want to know more information about the symptoms or the drugs they want, they can simply click on the tag here. I'll open up a page on the site which we found out, which tracks the different terms of the diagnosis. So what we do under the hood is, so each of the symptoms that our model recognize has a mesh ID along with it. So the mesh is a medical ID system which is used to track different symptoms. So what we do, we extract the names from the report and we get the mesh ID from it. From the mesh ID, we are able to link to this website which gives us the brief description and all the information regarding the disease that we are facing. For example, if I click on chest pain right now, it will open a page related to chest pain. And if I want to see, the same we do for drugs as well. So if I want to know more about nitroglycerin, I can just click over here and it will open a different page which has all the information about the use and the restrictions on nitroglycerin. Now what do you do with the reports? That is, so we anonymize all the reports and we give the patient a brief summary of what their medical history is. For example, the patient has been diagnosed for shortness of breath only once, but for depression it has been diagnosis for 4. So if you want, you can easily share this medical report with any new doctor that you are recommending, so it decreases the time for the new doctor to get to know about any of your medical history. The same is for the drugs that have been recommended to you. So the new doctor can easily come up to speed with all the information about you. So this is the web interface. So we also have an app which is there. So this is our app running on my phone. I'll log in as a patient over here as well. Now I have all this data with me, but this data is not useful for me if I cannot share it with anyone else. So now what comes into play is the doctor dashboard. So this is the doctor dashboard that we have. So the doctor will have a same dashboard which will show the reports that have been sent to him by different patient. Now what if I want to share a report with a patient, with a doctor? So each doctor will have a unique QR code or a unique ID associated with them. So if I want to share a report, so for example I just click this report. So you can also view the reports on your phone as well, and all of these are done in a very secure way. So the way we are storing the reports is that the reports are gone through a random a key is generated at our server. Now after the random key is generated at our server, we use that key to AES encrypt the file itself. Now the key is then encrypted with a salt which is present only on our server. Then the encrypted version of that key is stored in a blockchain, which also has a data structure which stores who all the users who have access to that particular file. Now this particular file can only be viewed by the users who have been stored in that blockchain network. And as you know, that blockchain offers a way of tamper-proof solution security. So not even the super admin can change the data which is there on the dashboard. Now the the mobile app has the same information of the symptoms and all, and if you click on more info here, it will take you to the same web page that it did on the web portal. So it will open the same web portal which shows you all the information. Now going back to the app, now if I want to share it with a doctor, so you can see there are 5 files over here. I'll just click on the share button. It'll open up a QR code scanner. I'll just scan a QR code. I'll say file shared successfully. Now as soon as the doctor refreshes the page, as soon as I refresh the page, you will see the new report has been shared to him. Earlier the doctor did not have this access to the report, but now he definitely has access to the report. Now another feature of our medical healthcare record system is we also have AI based diagnosis. So now there's a disease detection section where you can do different diagnoses using ML and AI models. So I'll just remove this section over here. Now what do? You upload all the reports that you want to scan. So just X-ray. So I'll upload a X-ray, and once I choose and upload an X-ray, it'll give me a report in certain seconds, and it'll also highlight the areas where it thinks the diagnosis. So we are using GradCam for producing such heat maps which allows easier diagnosis for the doctor and the patient as well. So this system can be used in rural areas where not everyone has the speciality to diagnose a particular type of disease. So if you can see it predicted very strongly that the person has pneumonia, and it even shows the heat map of where the most concentrated zone is. So this is a system which allows us to have which allows the users to keep a track of their healthcare records, store their healthcare reports in a very secure way. So even in case of a fire or any other emergency, they do not lose their medical health records, and it is easier for them to share it with the doctor and the doctors to come to up to speed with all the reports there are. Because if a doctor had to read all the complete reports one after the other, it will take much longer. Instead, what they can do is they can just go through the tags, and with the tags they can come to know a brief summary of the report. So this is our system which we think will make healthcare system much more efficient. Also another benefit of our system is we are getting anonymized reports of what are the current scenario of the world and what are the symptoms that have been diagnosed by everyone. So such a system, it allows us to get information about the current scenario of the healthcare system of the world. So in case of a medical emergency, we will get to know that we'll have the data stored in a form where we can conduct different researches and get to know different insights from it. So this is our system, and thank you for your time, and goodbye.